Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Bingo and Bluey. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists! Today we're gonna do a picture of Bingo and Bluey for Valentine's Day. We're gonna draw them really easy like they do in the episode of Dragon. We're gonna use the paper on this way and we're gonna need a pencil, an eraser, and the marker. We're gonna start with the marker in the outside of the paper. We're gonna leave about a finger space from the edge of the paper and we're gonna do a backwards letter C. And on the bottom line, we're gonna put a little line for the smile, and on the top, we're gonna put a half a circle for the nose. Now we're gonna draw Bingo's body and it's gonna be a square shape, and the corners are gonna be a little rounded. So we're gonna go around the nose and we're gonna close right here. So in this part, we leave a little bit more space for the eye. Let's do a big circle next to the nose. And inside, we're gonna put a half a circle for the eye. And I'm gonna fill this with black. Now we're gonna do another eye that is gonna go behind the nose and it's just half a circle. And inside, we're gonna put another circle that we're gonna fill with black. Let's continue with the ears with a triangle that goes from the corner to the middle, and we're gonna do one more inside. The second ear is gonna come from the center to the other corner, and inside we're gonna put one more. Now for the feet, we're gonna start with a line and a half a circle, a line, and a half a circle in the front. For the tail, I'm gonna go down here doing a line and a curve that comes back. And for the hands, we're gonna do a line that goes down. And at the end of this hand, at the end of this line, we're gonna do three little curves. And in the front, we're gonna do a line that goes like really close to the folding part. We're gonna leave a space to do the fingers with three curves. Now let's continue with Bluey. It's the same idea. We're gonna start with the nose. Just Bluey is a little taller than Bingo, so we're gonna go about a finger space up where we start with Bingo. And I'm doing a letter C pointing a little bit up. We're gonna do the smile right here on the bottom line. And the nose is a little bigger than Bingo's with a curve. Now the body is the same. It's kind of like a square shape with round corners. The eye is big and it's gonna go here next to the nose. So we're gonna start with a circle. And inside we're gonna do a half a circle that we're gonna fill with black. On top of the nose, we're gonna do half of the circle, just like this. And inside we're gonna do a half a circle that we're gonna fill with black. The first ear is gonna be slightly smaller than the second one, so this is a small, and we're gonna do the triangle in the middle. And for the second ear, I'm gonna go higher, and we're gonna do the triangle in the middle. And that helps to make the ear look like it's in front of the other one. Now for the tail, we're gonna point it a little low, so we're gonna point the line down, and we're gonna do the curves that come back. For the feet, we're gonna do the same that we did with Bingo, with a line and a half a circle on the bottom. It almost looks like a letter D. And we're gonna do her hands here on the space that we have left, pointing down with a line and three curves. Line and three curves. Okay? And it almost looks like they are holding hands. Remember not to cross the folding part. Now, let's leave the outside part here. You can add some more details or you can add a message in the outside. Now, let's open the paper. And this is the part that we're gonna need the pencil. What we're gonna do is draw the heart. And I'm gonna do it with pencil just because hearts can be tricky and take more attempts. I'm gonna follow the head of Bluey and I'm gonna go to the center and I'm gonna go up and put a little dot. Now for the bottom, we're gonna leave about 2 or 3 finger space, and we're gonna put another dot, and they're right on the folding part. Now we're gonna join those 2 dots by doing a curve. We're gonna try to do a curve on the top until we reach the folding part. Now we're gonna start coming down. Remember not to cross the folding part right here. And now we're gonna do the curve on the other side, and when I approach the folding part, I start going down. Okay? And once that I'm happy with the shape of the heart, then I'm going to change to the marker, and I want to trace over the lines that looks the best, and I'm going to finish the heart. There. The curved lines can be tricky, and that's why we start with pencil. So when you trace with a marker, you can make some corrections. Now let's erase the lines that we have left with pencil. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of Bingo and Bluey. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you liked this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out of Bingo and Bluey. They look so cute, almost holding hands here. Remember, you can add more details in the outside, a message, or more hearts. Now let's check in the inside. This time, because the pictures are made by Bingo and Bluey, I also want to add a little bit of coloring in the heart that looks like a kid did it, but I leave some spaces in white. I even cross the lines of the black part just to make it look or give it the effect a little bit more like crayon coloring too. And also could add some hearts on the background. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!